Officially, we are 1 year old on YouTube as a YouTuber and as a content creator. Thank you everyone for your support. So today we'll be talking golden syrup. I'll be walking you through the process of making your own golden syrup at the comfort of your home and with items that are very easy to find. Now, this is part of our sugar series that was started weeks back, so let's get started. I'm making use of room temperature water, sugar in 2 different quantities, a smaller and larger form, lemon, already boiled water which I kept in a hot flask, then my candy thermometer. This is optional. I'll teach you how to make the golden syrup without a candy thermometer, and of course my wooden spatula. It's best to work with wooden spatula when making sugar syrup. Now I'm going to pour the smaller quantity of sugar into my pot. If you're using a saucepan, make sure your saucepan is deep. I'm going to add the room temperature water and I'll stir this up well to moisten the sugar, and I'm going to transfer this to a low or medium heat, low to medium heat, and allow this simmer for some minutes. Please check the description box below for a link to a detailed recipe. Now this is simmering. I'm going to wash my lemon. I'm going to slice it. I'm just using 1/4 of my lemon. I'll keep that aside. Now let's go back to the pot. Now look at the color of my syrup. That's changed from white to golden yellow. Now I remove my pot from heat and then added my lemon, and I'm going to be adding the larger quantity of sugar. Next I'll be adding the already boiled water little by little. Be very careful, this is quite hot, you don't want it splattering on you. If you are still watching, it means you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Next, I return my pot back to low to medium heat, and I'm going to allow this heat up or boil till my syrup changed to golden yellow. You can see my lemon is still inside. I'm still going to be stirring my syrup occasionally. If you notice at the beginning there were sugar lumps, don't worry, it got dissolved in the syrup. Now I'm still boiling on low to medium heat. Look at the sugar syrup now. It has changed its color, it's changing, and then finally it has changed from the white to golden yellow. This is around 150 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a candy thermometer, that is also fine. Once your syrup changes from white to golden yellow, it's ready. Remove it from heat. Don't allow it to boil any further, because once it boils, once you bring it down from heat, it's going to get hardened in few minutes, and you don't want that. Once it's golden yellow, just remove it from heat. It's still going to be very light. Don't worry, as it cools, it's going to thicken. So this is how your texture of your syrup should be after you remove it from heat. Even after, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes, it should still be as light as this. Now your golden syrup is ready. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, and thank you for your support. See you next week.